Part 89 of Chapter 3. A friend was seated by Jalal's pillow, and Jalal leaned on that friend's bosom. Suddenly, a most handsome youth appeared at the door of the room. To the utmost astonishment of the friend, Jalal arose and advanced to receive the stranger. But the friend was quicker and quietly asked his business. The stranger answered, I am Azrael, an angel of departure and separation. I am come by the divine command to inquire what commission the master may have to entrust to me. Blessed are the eyes that can perceive such sights. The friend was near fainting at this answer, but he heard Jalal call out, come in, thou messenger of my king. Do that which thou art bidden, and God willing, thou shalt find me one of the patient. He now told his attendants to bring a vessel of water, placed his 2 feet therein, and occasionally sprinkled a little on his breast and forehead, saying, my beloved God has proffered me a cup of poison, bitterness. From his hand I drink that poison with delight. The singers and musicians now came in and executed a hymn, while the company of friends wept and sobbed loudly. Jalal observed, it is as my friends say, but were they even to pull down the house, what use? See my panting heart. See my panting heart. Look at my delight. The sun sheds a grateful light on the moth. My friends invite me one way. My teacher, Shamsuddin, beckons me the other way. Compel ye with the summoner of the Lord, and have faith in him. Departure is inevitable. All being came out of nothing, and again it will be shut up in the prison of nullity. Such is God's decree from all eternity. And to decree belongeth unto God, the Most High, all great. His Sultan, Beled, had been unremitting in his attentions. He wept and sobbed. He was reduced to a shadow. Jalal therefore said to him, Bahauddin, my son, I am better. Go and lie down a little, rest thyself, and sleep a while. While he was gone, Jalal indited his last ode thus, go, head on pillow lay, alone in peace me leave. Love tyrant, plague by night, while all round thee grieve. That peerless beauty, God, has no need, kind care to show. But sallow lovers, ye must, patient faith, still know. Perplexity is ours to bear, 'tis his to own hard heart. Shed he our blood, what sin? He'll not pay murder's smart. To die hard's after all, but remedy there's none. How then to crave a remedy? The evil's done. Last night, in dream, a warder from my love's abode made sigh to me and said, this way, hold thou thy load. And it's spelled here Lode, and one would think it's Load, but